In this coordinate geometry question, all right, what we have is we are given that the points, all right, C 20 and D 8 minus 4 are the endpoints of the diameter of the circle. All right, so what I have done here is I've already drawn the circle here. Okay, so as you can see, I've given the point C and D here, and I've drawn the diameter. And they ask us to find the area of the circle, giving your answer in terms of pi. All right. So the first thing is to find the area of the circle. All right, we know that the area is equals to pi r squared. All right. So we need to find the radius. All right. What we are given are two opposite points that form the diameter. So to find the length of the diameter, we can use the length formula. All right. So if you remember, if given any 2 points, x1, y1, and x2, y2, all right, to find the length, it is x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square, whole thing square root. All right, so that is what we're going to do here. So we're going to say that the length is given by 2 minus 8 square plus 0 minus 4 square, whole thing square root. All right, so 2 minus 8 is minus 6 minus 6 square is 36 plus, all right, 0 minus 4 is 4, 4 square is 16, so I'm going to have 36 plus 16 over here. All right, so that will give me 36 plus 16, which is 52 square root. All right, so we can leave it as 52 square root as it is. So that is, all right, the length from point C to point D, which is the diameter. All right, so the radius, okay, the radius is square root 52 divided by 2. Correct. So with that, we can proceed to find the area. So the area of the circle is pi r square, which is pi times square root 52 over 2 square, all right, which is equals to pi. So square root 52 will become 52. Square root 52 square will become 52. 2 square will become 4. All right, so this is actually your indices rule. Okay, so if you remember indices rule, a over b to the power of n is the same as a to the power of n over b to the power of n. Correct? So the square is applied to the numerator as well as the denominator. All right, so 52 over 4 will be 13. So 13 pi cm square is the answer for the area of the circle, okay, expressed in terms of pi. All right, thank you. Bye.